Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 2 different ways to show and hide the sidebar on the Reminders application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Reminders application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Reminders application. Press enter to open up the application. Now what we can do to hide the sidebar is go to the top toolbar, click on View. There we have Hide Sidebar. And now to bring back the sidebar, go back to View, Show Sidebar. So that's number 1. Number 2 would be a keyboard shortcut, which is Command Option and S to hide the sidebar, and to bring the sidebar back would be the same keyboard shortcut, Command Option and S. And there we go. So we can now quit Reminders. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.